Hey guys, Sarah here. Everybody's here. Oh my gosh, are you here or what? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our Allure beauty box for January 2020. This box is $15 a month. In here we should get between 5 and 7 skincare, hair care, makeup, beauty samples, sometimes deluxe samples, sometimes full-size products here and there. This box typically has like more high-end sort of products in here, so I always enjoy getting this box because you kind of get some pricey stuff in here sometimes. Sometimes you get crap, but sometimes you get really nice luxury sort of stuff in here, and a lot of times full size, so it's always like a nice little fun surprise to see what we get in here. As always, if I don't know something is cruelty-free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there, as well as breaking down the value of the box, so I will research everything in here, find out what the full size equals to in sample size terms, and write that all down there. So if you're interested in that, make sure you're always clicking that open. Okay, let's just go ahead and open her up. Okay, so right inside we'll have this little magazine guide that tells us everything we're getting in here, as well as their full size value, so I won't peek too much at this. It does not seem very makeup heavy, but we'll go ahead and look at everything anyway. Okay, so the first thing I have is, this is from Akar Skin. It is, sorry, I'm reading upside down. It is cruelty-free, silicone-free, paraben-free, mineral oil-free, sulfate-free, organic, natural, and wild harvested. That is a lot of little boxes on the back there of things that it is and isn't. I don't know exactly what this is. Lip restoration, I guess, is what it's saying. So it's just like this little tin. It's really cute. It smells like citrusy. I'll show you what it looks like. So it's like that. It's just like a lip. Ooh. It's like goopy. I'm not sure if you can see that on my skin, but I thought it was going to be like a hard sort of balm, and it's not. It's like very moisturizing. Yeah, it smells really good too. A little bit citrusy, so I definitely will use this. I'm not the hugest fan of things that I have to keep dipping my finger into, but it's small enough so maybe I can get through it pretty quickly. Okay, let's get a full size value on that. So the full size is 30 bucks, so a little bit expensive. Okay, come back. Somebody's outside or something. They're going crazy. Who's there? You okay? Okay, you're fine. Okay. Well, stop it, please. Can I help you, ma'am? You guys are nosy. Everybody. He's trying to take this. He likes to carry the mail in. Don't lick that. I was licking the balm. He likes to carry the mail in, so he thinks this is like a letter that he can just take and carry. Okay, let's get into the next thing. This is from Somerville, which is cruelty-free. This is the Exfolikate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. There's the packaging. This looks to be just a face exfoliator. So let's go ahead and actually open the box and see how big it is compared to the box, because I feel like it's going to be a little small. So there it is. Super tiny. Does have a safety seal on it, so that's good. I probably will give this a try. I could probably get through this pretty quick. So add that into the rotation of things to put on my face. And let's get a value on that. $75 for 1.7 ounces. Okay, so pretty small sample compared to what the big one is. Okay. Alright, moving right along. Let's see, the next thing I have is from Vitabrid C12. I've never heard of this brand. It's a Vitabrid C12 Dual Drop Serum. Helps reduce signs of aging, brighten the skin, and provide deep hydration to improve dryness and overall skin complexion. So there is right there. It actually feels kind of heavy. It must be like an oil dropper sort of thing. Let's see. Oh yeah. figured it was the glass that I was feeling. So there it is. I will have to look into this to see if it's cruelty free. But it does look like a decent amount. Oil goes a long way, I've discovered. So I definitely will look into that and see whether I am able to use it or not. And the full size is $62. So actually cheaper than the oil I currently use. So yeah, excited to see how that is. Let's see if it smells like anything. It smells like just clean. I thought it might smell a little bit like vitamin C, but it doesn't. The next thing I'm pulling out is from NatueLab Tokyo. This is the Perfect Shine Oil Mist. I already have a sample of this. I use it occasionally. So I'll just probably go and throw this into a giveaway. It's just like a heat protectant spray. So, or if I have flyaways that I need to push down, I'll use this too. So this is just going to go into a giveaway. I do like this brand though, and the stuff always smells like really nice and clean. So that's good. It is cruelty free as well. Alright, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from Philosophy. This is Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream. Philosophy is not cruelty free, so I'm not going to be able to use this, but I can show you what it is. This. Okay, so it's just like the tiniest little sample here. It is a Hyaluronic Glow Moisturizer. So something I definitely would use, but unfortunately I am not going to. So this will just go to a friend or into a giveaway. And the full size of that is $39. So a little bit expensive. I forgot to mention as well that the NatueLab Tokyo is $16. So like mid-range sort of pricing there. Alright, last thing I have is from Tarte, which is cruelty free. This is the Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara in black. It says gifted Amazonian. Does that mean like it was gifted to me? What does that mean? It says gifted down there on the bottom. Do you see that? So let's see what this is. This might be full size. Ooh, I really, really love like the packaging on this. It looks like wood. That's nice. So maybe this is just gifted. I don't know why it says gifted. It says it real big on the thing, so it must be some sort of the branding. I'm not sure. Oh, there it is. It is like a thicker sort of formula. Not super wet. Not super dry, though. And yeah, I definitely will try this. I really like the packaging. It's really, really nice. And I like Tarte a lot, so definitely will use that. Let's see. Let's get a value on that. I feel like it's going to be like $21 if I had to guess. Let's see if I'm right. 23, I was close. You could have got this one, or you could have got the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara, which I've already tried multiple times, and I do like that one. So I'm excited that I got the Amazonian Clay one because I've not tried that one from them. So that's cool. But yeah, I think that's everything that we got in here. It was very skincare heavy, which seems to be a theme among beauty boxes this month. I have like one makeup thing in here, one hair care thing, and the rest is skincare. Like the lip thing I consider like skincare because it's like a lip moisturizer, but it's not like makeup. So not mad. I love skincare. It's sort of, I think, becoming a trend this year. Everyone's into skincare, so I definitely will try all of that except for the Philosophy item because it's not cruelty free, and then this Vitabrid thing that I have to research. But yeah, not mad. It was a pretty decent box. I love that we get a full-size product in here. I mean, I paid $15 for this, and the mascara itself was worth $23, so I already got my money back there. But I would love to know your thoughts on this box. I pretty much almost always love this box. You get a lot for what you're paying for, so... but yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me if you want to see more videos like this from me. More unboxings, more good boys and girls in the background. Sometimes naughty. Where is that boy? The boy has left. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button right down there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.